Hey, what's up, guys? It's a beautiful day here in Lake Jackson, Texas. Today we are fixing a little issue that I see may be a problem with all L15B1s, and it's the cleaning up the air that gets into here. I've had many turns where there's a lot of oil in this right here, and it's going into my throttle body. So I'm guessing that the oil is turning into aerosol and making its way here from the pressure. So I already have a catch can for the blow by, which doesn't really fill up that quick. I already have one of those. So now I bought this catch can from AutoZone, Dorman catch can, and I'm going to install this in between this line right here. That's what we're doing today, and yeah, so let's get to it. So we have come to the completion of this installation. It was pretty quick. You can see already there's oil right there in the seal. Look at that. Look at all that oil. All that oil. And then you can see, I don't know if you can see, the oil that's in here. I don't know if you can see. I think you can see the oil sitting in the coupler right here. It's insane how much oil. I got oil on my GoPro, just reaching in there. But yeah, so hopefully this alleviates that issue. Oh, it's loose. Thank God I didn't tighten it that much. Hopefully I can get it out with this bracket. Okay, yes I can. Oh, messy. Alright, so we are done with the oil change. I just need to pour the oil in. Actually, I forgot about that part. But while I was down there, I took some of this stuff because I forgot to paint my splitter brace bracket or my mount, and it got really rusty. So I sprayed this stuff on it, and it looks like it's working. We'll wash it off at some point, but it's supposed to be like a rust protectant, also like a rust, like it eats away at the rust too. So I think this should do the trick as far as protecting this piece. Yeah. So yeah, let's put the oil in, and then I got to do a little bit of adjustments on the bumper for the splitter, and then we will be donezo.